Live. This is a song for my big sister, Carline. Back when we were young, we had big dreams. We were students in Paris, France, living life one day at a time. Then one day we said, let's go on vacation in New York City. We walked into the US Embassy with hope in our hearts. We didn't know that little trip would change our life forever. We were young, we loved to dream. We didn't know tomorrow. We were just enjoying today. If I'm here today, it's because you were there. When I couldn't see the road, you saw it for me. If I'm smiling today, it's because you care. Thank you, my big sister. One day you called me, you said,
come to Lynn, Massachusetts.
So I packed my suitcase, I left everything I knew behind in New York, and I went to Lynn, Massachusetts. 2 years later, I found a white guitar in Lynn. I still remember that day, holding it in my hands.
I didn't know then
that music would become part of my life 40 years later.
I remember your smile, I remember how happy you were. Seeing you happy made me happy too.
If I'm here today, it's because you were there. Oh, when I couldn't see the road,
you saw it for me.
if I'm smiling today, it's because you care. Thank you, my big sister. Understand more.
Tika, I remember Paris.
Tim.live.
Tika, I remember New York.
Tim.live.
Tika, I remember Lynn.
Tim.live.
Tika, I remember the white guitar.
But what I remember most is you, little brother.
I didn't do anything special, I just loved you.
Was the greatest gift.
Tim.live.
No,
the greatest gift
was love,
and that love
changed my life. Hey! If I'm here today, it's because you were there in Paris with me. If I found music today, it's because you invited me to Lynn,
Massachusetts.
If I've come this far, it's because you believed in me.